Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add new users to existing users in WordPress. So for you to do that, just scroll down and tap on users, then you click on add new users. Then right here you can simply edit the role or customize the role of the new user or new member you want to add to your workplace. So I'm just going to make the person an administrator. Then right here you can add the email or the username of the particular person. So I'm just going to add this email you like. Also add another parenting member. If you don't, it's not a big deal. Then you can check this if the person is a contractor, a freelancer, or a consultant. So actually the person is the email I'm trying to add to this particular users. The user I want to add she's a freelancer. I'm just going to click on this checkbox, then you send on the notification. If you want to add the message or the description message to the person, you can do that also. Once after that, you send the invitation to the mail, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more.